loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop, hop, hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo! Peekaboo! A yellow ring is spinning in front of Peck Peck the woodpecker's house. Stop, ring! A green ring has rolled. Peck Peck, do you have other rings? Ah, blue. Blue is beautiful. Hop Hop the owl rolls a purple ring. Oi! Hop Hop hid. Hop Hop, where are you? What ring did Hop Hop hide behind? The purple one.
Hi!
Look! A butterfly is flying towards us. The yellow butterfly sat on the yellow ring. Oh, the ring fell. Bam! Bam! Peck Peck really liked how the rings fell. Now they look like colored drums.
Drums!
Hop Hop brought his toy drum. Take the drumsticks, Peck Peck. Great concert! Birds, where are you going? What's this? It looks like the base of the pyramid. And this is the tip. It's heavy. We need to take the toy to Peck Peck's house and put the rings on the base of the pyramid. Hop Hop arrived driving an excavator with a manipulator. Good job! It's a strong excavator. Remove the toy. Lift the yellow ring. Lower it in place. Green ring. Blue. Purple. The rocket is ready to launch. The birds decided to launch the rocket from the swing. 3, 2, 1.
Blast off!
The rocket flies upwards. You can pick up the pyramid again. Hooray!
Hop Hop loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop, hop, hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
Hop Hop the owl. Peck Peck the woodpecker is in the playground. Hello, Peck Peck. Push your truck down the slide. In the truck's bed, there's a toy penguin. Peck Peck likes giving him rides. And now on to the carousel. Peck Peck, jump on. The carousel is spinning really fast. Where are you going, Peck Peck? What a huge slide! Oh, you won't be able to climb up there. No, even with a run up, you won't make it. Oops! You need to find another way up. I wonder where that door could lead. That's not how you open doors. The button. Hooray! The door's opened.
Peck Peck! Stop!
Oh, here's Hop Hop the owl.
It's a lift.
Turns out you can get to the top of the slide using the lift. And the pink button calls the lift.
Press it again. Hold on. I'll go first. Come in. The doors are closing. Press the up button.
The lift is going up.
We can get out.
No? What happened? You forgot the truck. Shall we go back down for it?
Let's go.
The lift is going down. We need to call the lift again. Grown-ups get in first, then the kids. No, Peck Peck, you can't press all the buttons at once.
Don't mess around. We could get stuck.
The little penguin is going down the slide. And Peck Peck is going next.
Hooray! Hop!
That was so much fun. Oh, the ants are trying to call the lift. Shall we help them? Hop Hop is taking a box with a surprise up there. I wonder what's inside. Open it, Hop Hop. It's a lot of colored balls. They go down the slide so beautifully. The birds have come up with yet another interesting game.
Hop Hop loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop, hop, hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo!
Hop the owl. There's a new toy in front of our owl's house. It's a dump truck. Hop Hop, Peck Peck, do you want to play? Oh, wow! The body can lift up.
It's a dump truck.
Where's he going? He wants to park the truck. Give it a push, Hop Hop.
3, 2, 1.
It made it! It's your turn, Peck Peck.
Peck, Peck, Peck!
Our woodpecker's still little and only knows how to count in pecks.
Woohoo!
Peck Peck's jumped onto the back of the dump truck like it's a bus. The bus is taking Peck Peck home. Oh, it's hard to drive it up the ramp. Peck Peck, where are you going? Ah, you found a tow rope with a magnet. What a brilliant idea! The dump truck just happens to have a place for a magnet. Use the magnet to fasten the rope. Pulling the truck along with a magnet is much easier. Hop Hop's done it! The dump truck's right at the top now.
3, 2, 1.
Now that's fast! Now it's our woodpecker's turn to push the truck down.
Delivery!
Let's pull the rope and bring the dump truck back up.
Hey! Where are you going?
Surprise! Peck Peck's loading the dump truck with parts for another toy.
Tack! Tack! Tack tack!
3, 2, 1. The dump truck's come to a stop. Time to unload it. There's a bucket. You can fix that to a toy tractor. And there's another bucket. And there's the tractor. Let's fix one bucket to the front and the other bucket to the back. All done.
Whoa!
Little birds, how many toys does that make? You can use the tractor and dump truck to pick up dry branches from the ground. Just like that. Let's keep working. Let's help the ants gather branches for their anthill. That big bucket will have no problem getting the job done.
Load it all up.
The tractor's picking up the branches and loading them into the dump truck. And the dump truck's taking the load to the anthill. That's a full load. Let's go! Ants, look how many branches there are. You can get back to building again.
Hop Hop loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop, hop, hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
Hop Hop the owl. Do you hear that sound? That's the train coming out of the tunnel.
Choo-choo!
Hop Hop the owl is driving it. His toys are in the train's wagon. Peck Peck the woodpecker is waiting for his friend at the station. Hooray! The train's coming.
Hello!
Hello there, Hop Hop. Our woodpecker's been waiting for you. He really wants to go to the lake with his new toys. Everything into the bucket. The birds are heading there on the motorcycle. Put on your helmets.
Let's go!
There's the pier. Take your toys over there. That's a crab. Crabs are very good at moving from side to side.
Crab!
Oh, the crab's gone for a swim. Peck Peck's gone for a swim too. That's a lot of splashing.
Stop! It's deep over there.
It's not safe to go off into deep water if you can't swim. Let's take a look at the other toys in your bucket.
A starfish.
How many arms does it have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
The starfish has gone for a swim. And the ray. And the blowfish. It looks like a ball. Peck Peck wants to get the crab. Little owl, what are you looking for? Ah, it's an inflatable ring. Our little woodpecker can use it to go swimming in the lake.
Wings up, please. Now you can swim.
Hop Hop's also put on a ring. Little birds, let's pick up our toys. That's one fish in the net.
The blowfish.
The ray.
The starfish.
Well done! What a wonderful trip to the lake this has been.
Let's sort our toys out.
The starfish, the swordfish, the blowfish. Somebody's missing. Do you know who? That's right! The crab! There's a butterfly on his head. Into the bucket you go, crab. We've let the air out of the swim rings. And we've put away the net. Did you pick up the ray? Ah, there it is, in the bucket. We can go. Till next time, little birds.